are a graphic designer, user interface designer, even if you are an artist, then it is very important to showcase your artwork and your design work to the world, to the viewers, and to the people who are related to your business. And to build a classy portfolio, you need some classy mockups. What's going on, everybody? So this is Sri from Doodler Sri, and today we are going to talk about those 5 websites from where you can get those classy mockups to showcase your art and design work. There will be business card mockups, there will be newsletter mockups, and many more. So without adding further ado, let's see what are those websites. So the first one which I will mention for the right kind of mockup to showcase your business cards or any other kind of like design work, Pixodon is my number one choice. If you go to their website, you will find variety of and you will find different kind of mockup here. You will see that some of them are free and some of them are actually premium. So these Pixodon mockups are really classy and they have some aesthetic sense as well. And if you check here, like they have different kind of varieties for free resources. Apart from these mockups, you will also get some logo sets, flyers, brochures, and other icons, or maybe some free fonts as well. So Pixodon came to life with the idea of creating a one-stop place for all the tools that a modern designer might need in its day-to-day routine. They actually bring you premium free graphic web and design resources. If I come to number 2, this is mockupdesign.com. So this is also another free resources for your all kind of mockups. Like you will get t-shirt mockups, free mockups, mugs mockups, but you will get some classy business card mockups also here. As you can see here, I have already opened a page where this mockup is absolutely free, which you can download from here from below. As I can go to this download page, if I click on download, it will be downloaded automatically. So this kind of like as you can see, this is downloading already. So these mockups are usually free and they are classy as well. So I recommend mockup design after Pixodon, because Pixodon is always my first choice, because Pixodon is if you ask, Pixodon is a classic kind of website which they have found pretty earlier, and I have got some real classy mockups from them, and I have also got some premium downloads from them as well. So I will always recommend Pixodon as a number 1 and mockup design as number 2. So number 3 will be Pixel Buddha. So this is also a very well-known websites for all your free resources, and here you will get as you can see, this is a business card mockup. This is a pretty classy one, and as you can see, like these mockups are really aesthetically beautiful. So if you click on this download link, it will be downloaded automatically, and the good point is like this resource is also free. Some of them you will get on premium account as well, and maybe there are some other advantages for premium account, but free account resources are also pretty good and pretty classy. Number 4 is Good Mockups. So this one is also another one which comes to number 4 if you ask my choice. So here as you can see, this is also a pretty classy, nice business card mockup with a nice background, and here we get a mockup resolution of 3000 pixels by 2000 pixels, which is pretty large and pretty, like high resolution. And here you can get other free resources. And the good thing is here, if you see, they have all kind of variety. If you click on the drop down, you will be able to see all the mockups here, and you can choose from here as well. But if in Pixel Buddha, it's little bit different. But in like good mockups is it's pretty like simple and pretty user friendly also, so that you can get this in one click. If you click on the business card mockup, they will show you different kind of business card mockups, and you can choose from here which one you would like for your presentation. As I can see that they're pretty good and presentable mockups here, and they're really good for your business. So in number 5, there comes Graphic River. This one is a free resource website, and you will get plenty of free items and resources from here. So as you can see, there are mockups, there are UI kits, there are icons, text effects, background, and other stuffs. So if we click on say mockups, you will get lots and lots of kind of mockups. And as I've shown you already, like this one is the business card mockup, which you can get here. So this one is a pretty classy one, and you can use it for presenting your design work, and it will be absolutely free. And if you see the dimension and if you see the resolution, this is pretty large, and you can easily edit this in Photoshop. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you have liked and enjoyed this video. And if you find this video helpful, please give your feedback and comment in the comment section, and also let us know about what you feel about this video. If you have any other website suggestions, as I know like there are many other useful websites from where you can get those free mockups, as I have mentioned here 5 of my favorite websites. Like you can have your own choices as well, so please don't forget to mention that in the comment section as well. So be happy, be positive, be unique, and be creative. So I will see you in the next video. Until then,